Here's a 2017 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. It comes with great features you'll love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather bucket seats, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride. Upscale interior and many luxury features come standard. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.